Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn with Chris Designs. Okay, so I want to quickly show you guys matching layers, right? How to make multiple edits across matching layers. So basically, let's create a frame, right? Um, yeah. Click on F. Just click on F on your keyboard and drag, and you have a frame. Yeah. I don't like light colors. Let's reduce it. Yeah. Okay, let's draw a ellipse or a circle, perfect circle. Don't forget, hold shift and you drag. Okay, you can duplicate it either by holding alternate key and you drag. For MacBook or macOS it should be option. Okay, you drag again, um, or you use Ctrl D. Yeah, also use Ctrl D. Figma automatically spaces out. Yeah, so we could drag this again. Okay, let's drag it again down. Let's do it again. Oh, it's going somewhere else. Let's just bring it close by. Okay, so making multiple edit across matching layers. Just I click on this. I click on this first circle. Okay, I now see the select matching layers, right? I want to make a quick change. I just click on it. You see it selects all the first cycles on the matching layers of each frame, right? So if I want to make the changes, so I make it red, see it goes for all, right? Okay, so let's just make it more realistic. Let's grab this our mobile website, should I say our hero page website. Let's make it 4. Let's pick this text. Okay, we made a mistake in our text. We want to change the color of our text, and we don't want to select all randomly. We just click the matching layer, all of them get selected, and we change the color. Let's say we change it to blue. It's all blue, right? Yeah, so that's that about uh, selecting matching layers, but it's not entirely efficient, right? It's um, not like not in the way I put it, but in some cases whereby you might have made some changes on, just say we have this button now, we made changes, multiple changes, maybe the color or something like that, it might not select it. That's where components comes in, right? That's why you need to make use of components. For components, you can still make those changes effectively. We'll get into that later on. Alright, see you in the next class.